What's up guys, welcome back to M3J Media TV. Today we are back again with part 2 of our video asking people who is their biggest artist in Zimbabwe right now at Buse town campus. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Bro, that's it. CFC kuma mix.
Aiwa lolo.
Anti. Pasiko pa campus mdara.
Ya zvakata kwangwa lolo. Pana.
Wane. Kumbo mvunza kaka smoke question. Who do you think is the biggest artist in Zimbabwe right now?
This is WinkyD.
Name at WinkyD.
WinkyD mdara asimbodi kuti udzwe. Munhu wese uchongosvika tongozoti WinkyD mdara. Sanafana na HolyTen guys. Ayo aziko izvi. Aziko aziko unongoziyo.
Ya mazviramba.
Atazviramba. Ayo atibudi mbota wanda zviwedzera nyaya. Ayo agafa.
Yes, makapinga mda. Thank you. Bro.
Mirazen.
CFC ko pa campus.
Pa campus lo.
Anti. Mbra ubvunza a small question for you today mdara.
Taratinzo.
Who do you think is the biggest artist in Zimbabwe right now?
The biggest artist?
Yeah.
I think WinkyD.
Why you watching WinkyD?
Did you relate any album? The album like I think is the best because his album raga trend.
A trend.
Yeah, let's kuma websites yes, pa iTunes, pa Spotify,
yeah. Ko vanhu vari kuti HolyTen ndakatrenda kufura WinkyD munochinazvo. WinkyD anzi HolyTen ndapisa kufura vese.
As for me, that's their own view. I think no view yao. But when it comes to music, WinkyD is at the top.
Gafa.
Gafa.
Yeah, I'm not but thank you so much.
Yurega.
Yes, sir.
Evo.
Yo, Wadi.
Yes, can.
Andribo, Risizo.
Did it right.
Press a campus.
And
I've got a small question for you today.
Okay.
Who do you think is the biggest artist in Zimbabwe right now?
As for me, I think HolyTen.
Why do you say HolyTen?
Because my songs are okay. I don't like his, you know, even his voice.
Okay.
So I think HolyTen.
So nabasane behavior yake anosize anokuru magafa.
It's just always. But I just support his music.
Alright, thank you so much. Hey. Yo, Madipo.
Yes, Buse man.
Buse ko pa campus.
Pa campus Buse good.
Nice. Cool. That's a small question for you.
Okay.
Who do you think is the biggest artist in Zimbabwe right now?
Biggest right now is ZimHip, but
overall.
Can I talk about WinkyD?
WinkyD, why do you say WinkyD?
WinkyD has been in the music career industry for a long time.
Alright, so I'm not going to that.
Plus I type my number. I was going to maturity. She has simple
level up. Thank you. Gios Madi.
Hello,
right. Let's go to campus. And don't go for a small question for today. Who do you think is the biggest artist in Zimbabwe right now?
HolyTen.
Hey, HolyTen means name at HolyTen.
You tell me Zonaki.
I couldn't Zonaki.
Zukunda WinkyD.
Vano kukidzana but HolyTen anona.
Voice like it.
Oh. Thank you guys. Bro.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Good to go pa campus.
Pa campus very good, very chill.
And it? Yeah. I'm about to ask a question for today.
Yeah.
Who do you think is the biggest artist in Zimbabwe right now?
Right now,
yeah.
I'll go for WinkyD.
Why do you say WinkyD?
WinkyD, he just released a controversial album.
Okay, go. Why do you go on to HolyTen?
HolyTen, I have nothing to say about HolyTen, you know what I'm saying?
Alright.
I think he's a great artist.
And it as I happened to WinkyD.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, cool.